Hello everybody! Today we're going to learn an intraoral massage technique in detail. We're going to work through every muscle of our face today. In one of my previous videos, you could see one exercise of this technique. However, the main difference today is that we are going to work from the inside of our mouth. With this massage, we are going to reduce wrinkles, relax the circular muscle of our mouth, we'll give our lips some volume, we'll make your face shape nicer, and we'll also improve circulation. So, let's begin. For this massage, I'm gonna put on gloves. First exercise is going to relax the circular lip muscle. Grab your lip in between your fingers and move in soft stretching motions from one side to another. Move from the center to the periphery. Stretch one area of your lip 3 times. Do it from the center to the side and back, again from the center to the other side and back. The same thing repeat with the lower lip. Next exercise is going to help you smoothen your wrinkle. Put your thumb inside your mouth. On the outside, fixate it with a pointing finger, and from the inside, start massaging along the whole area of this wrinkle. With the next exercise, we are going to relax the muscles around our mouth. For that, put your pointing finger inside your mouth and in rolling motions, massage the area where your upper lip connects with the gums. And now we are going to work with the cheekbone muscle. For that, put your thumb into your mouth and work through every area of your cheek and cheekbone. Work from the inside. You can make it more comfortable to yourself by putting another hand on your cheek. And after that, you're going to move on to the presser muscle area. After that, repeat everything that you did on the right side to your left side. And now we are going to create the lower jawline. Put your thumb inside your mouth and in rolling motions massage the whole area of your lower jaw. It's important to work through the area of the presser muscle as well. And then move on to the other side. And now we are going to work with the chewing muscle. Put your thumb inside of your mouth in the place where the chewing muscle is attached to the bone. With the fingers of the second hand, fixate the muscle around the ear and in stretching motions, relax the muscle. This massage will help you get a deeper effect since you can affect the muscles more directly. It will relax the muscles and will improve the general state. If you found this video interesting, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like it, and recommend it to your friends. In the comments below, please tell us what else you would like to see on our channel.